Welcome back. Labour movement in the state is affected as it is led by some selfish labour leaders. This charge comes from the Speaker of Goa Assembly, Rajan Alekar. He was speaking at the felicitation program of employees of Goa Shipyard on receiving Vishwakarma Award 2013. For the first time, Goa has been honoured with this award.
आज आमच्या गोंयांत कामगार संघटना ज्यो आसात त्यो खंयच्या पद्धतीच्यो आसात? स्वहिताचो धंदो करणारे कामगार नेते आमचेकडे निर्माण झाले आसात. आणि म्हणून आज जर कामगार चळवळ आमची फाटी पडपाक लागलेली आसा जाल्यार ते ह्या अशा पद्धतीच्या स्वार्थी नेतृत्वा खातीर आमी सगळ्यांनी सदांच सावध रावपाची गरज आसा. खंयचे तरी हे आमी एखादी कामगार संघटना धरतात, त्या संघटनेन थंय वतात, थंयच्यान दुसरे कडेन वतात, तिसरे कडेन वतात. कित्या खातीर म्हजें नेतृत्व एस्टॅब्लिश जावपाक जाय आनी कांय तातूंतलो हेतू ना. आज बार्ज कामगारांचो प्रश्न सुटना कित्या खातीर? अशा पद्धतीचे स्वार्थी नेतृत्व आज त्या सगळ्या कामगारांचे करतात.
Employees of Goa Shipyard Limited Ankush Bakkar, structural fitter, and Vishwanath Rane, welder, were felicitated by Speaker Rajendra Arlekar. Both were awarded with Vishwakarma Best Artisans Award. The felicitation program was organized by Shramik Vikas Sahakari Samstha Maryadit and Goa Shipyard Kamgar Sangh. The modernization project of Goa Shipyard was awarded the prestigious Vishwakarma Award for 2013. The award, instituted by Construction Industry Development Council, was presented to GSL under the Best Construction Project category. The awards were presented at an award ceremony held at New Delhi. Surendra Madgekar for Prudent.
9th Classical Dance Festival enthralled the audience at Mardol. The festival is organized by Kala Academy in collaboration with West Zone Cultural Centre, Udaipur. The two-day festival was inaugurated by Priol MLA Deepak Dawlikar. Here are some of the glimpses captured by Vivek Prabhu. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.